Hello students! As you all know that Shala ma'am has given us some work integrated with art in English. So today we will discuss about art integration in soil topic which we have discussed in our SST class.
We all know that soil covers the surface of the earth and is valuable ecosystem. Soil is made up of minerals, nutrients, water, air, organic matter and microorganisms.
But as soil is having so many components in it, is it only used to grow crops? My dear children, no. Soil is used in different forms. Because of its makeup, soil has variety of uses such as in agriculture, building materials, medicines, beauty products and pottery.
Clay soil is used in making ceramics or pottery. When water is added to clay soil, it can be used to create these ceramics. Once formed, you can leave it to dry and it will be formed. It will take its shape. Any type of ceramic can be created with clay soil such as vase, ball, cup or sculpture.
Today we are going to share an eco-friendly item which you have seen only in electronic form in your home, that is refrigerator.
Yes, dear children, an eco-friendly refrigerator which does not require any electricity.
Now you will think, how is it possible? Well, those who have seen the movies like Oh My God, Ye Mera India, they might got my point. What I want to say,
You just need to make a refrigerator. But what do you need for this? You just need earthen pot, but not only one earthen pot. You need two earthen pots. One small in size and one big in size. But why two earthen pots? We just need it so that we can put the smaller one inside the bigger one.
now students, watch the video, understand step-by-step construction and make the documentary of your construction as well as your experience.
Now we will learn how to make eco-friendly refrigerator with the help of smaller pot and large pot. First of all, we need to obtain two large clay or terracotta pots. One pot must be smaller than the other pot. Check that the smaller pot fits inside the larger and that there is a space around it of at least 1 centimeter up to 3 centimeter. You can see on the screen we are having smaller pot and the big pot. So now fill the base of the larger pot with a coarse sand. Fill about 2.5 centimeter to 1 inch deep and only fill to a height that will ensure the smaller pot sits even in height with the larger pot. Means we are going to set the smaller pot in the bigger pot. For that, this is the base on which we are going to keep the bigger one, and inside this we have just kept the base over there, and inside this we are going to put the sand, or we will put only that much sand over here which will create a base for the smaller pot, so that the smaller pot should not move from its place, and it should have gap between. A thick layer should be there of the sand which will create a base for the smaller pot. Now place the small clay pot into the larger pot. Arrange its base flat on the top of the lower layer of the sand. Now we have kept the smaller pot and its base is perfect. Now we'll fill the gaps with the sand. We are having the gaps over here. You can see that this is the gap, and in this we are going to add the sand. Rest of the sand will add here. Why we are adding? So that the outer layer, जो स्मॉल पोट है हमारा, स्मॉल पोट के आउटर लेयर पे हम पूरा सैंड से उसको कवर करेंगे, so that it will give cool effect to the inner pot. We need to fill till the edges of the bigger pot. Now we'll pour cold water over the sand. Do this until the sand is completely soaked and unable to take any more water. As you pour, do so gradually in order to give the water time to soak into the terracotta. Now we are adding the water and we'll keep adding the water until the whole sand will soak this water.
My dear students, we should not see soil in one dimension like black soil, red soil or laterite soil. They have importance in regard to climate and agriculture properties. But now, this time we should think,
Observe.
and perceive what our ancestors were doing with soil and that what can we do to recreate the balance in the nature that has been
Disrupted by us.
so, my dear children, we are waiting. Actually, we are waiting for your documentary how you will construct your own pot in pot refrigerator so that we can also see what you are doing at your home. So, let's say pot in pot refrigerator, the eco friendly refrigerator, and we are waiting for you.
Yes,
Come and
yeah.
show us.